In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a comparison tables to ClickFunnels. By the end, you'll have a clean, interactive table embedded on your funnel page to help visitors compare plans or features and make faster decisions. We'll start by creating the table itself. Head over to Common Ninja and open the widget catalog. Search for the Comparison Tables widget and launch it. Inside the editor, begin customizing your table to match your offer. Add the features you want to compare, set up your columns for each plan or option, and create rows for the specific attributes like pricing, limits, or bonuses. Adjust colors, fonts, and spacing so it blends with your brand. Keep labels short and consistent, and limit the number of columns if you want it to remain easy to scan on mobile. When you're happy with the layout and styling, click Save Changes to make sure your work is stored. Next, you'll grab the code that lets you embed the table on your site. In the widget editor, look for the Add to Website option, often shown as a code icon. Click it to open a pop-up and copy the embed code to your clipboard. This is the exact snippet you'll paste into ClickFunnels. Now, open your ClickFunnels page editor. Log in, then navigate to the funnel step where you want the comparison table to appear, typically on a pricing or features page. Click Edit Page to enter the builder. Inside the editor, hover over the area where you want the table to live. Click the plus button to add new element, then choose HTML/JS or Custom JS HTML from the list. This element is designed specifically for adding embed codes and scripts. Click the element to open its code editor so you can paste your snippet. Paste the comparison table embed code you copied from Common Ninja into the editor and save your changes. Use Preview to confirm that the table loads correctly, aligns with your layout, and looks good on both desktop and mobile. If it doesn't appear, double-check that you saved the widget in Common Ninja and copied the entire code. Sometimes a quick refresh or clearing the browser cache helps. Fine-tune spacing in the editor so the table doesn't feel cramped, and make sure button links or tooltips work as expected. When everything looks right, publish the page. Your comparison table is now live inside your ClickFunnels funnel, helping visitors clearly see the differences between your options and choose the one that fits them best.